Hi, today we're going to be talking about our Boxer case and how to do a quick full installation of the case. First, we'll put the battery into the custom battery tray. Next up, you would mount your router into one of the pre-drilled hole sets. Most routers that are compatible with the Boxer will fit within these pre-drilled holes. After that, you would connect your cables here to each of their respective, so cell to cell, Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi, GPS to GPS. To know the exact router matchup, you can visit our website and we have a router connection guide there. As you'll see, there's many accessories, including a USB Type-C for an external port for charging, a Type-C that goes directly into the battery and into the router, 2 RJ45s for your WAN and LAN, and a fan that plugs in via USB into the back of the router. Finally, we'll install our battery. You'll align the battery tray with the 6 mounting holes, ensuring that your ports are closest to the side where you have your cables. And then you would use 6 screws to mount the battery tray into place. And then you are all set.